Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Dacia Lodgy, a budget-friendly yet practical MPV designed to meet the needs of families and adventure seekers alike. Dacia has taken a bold step forward with this model, introducing modern styling, upgraded features, and even a hybrid powertrain option. Is this the perfect balance between affordability, efficiency, and versatility? Let's find out. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2025 Dacia Lodgy sports a refreshed design with strong body lines and a more aerodynamic shape. The high-strength steel panels provide durability while keeping the weight low, improving fuel efficiency and handling. Dacia has also added protective cladding along the lower body for extra ruggedness, making it ideal for both city streets and rougher terrain. Headlights. At the front, we get full LED headlights as standard across all trims. These not only enhance visibility during nighttime driving but also add a modern touch to the Lodgy's overall look. The adaptive high beam function ensures the best possible illumination without dazzling other drivers. Taillights. Moving to the rear, the C-shaped LED taillights add a signature look to the Lodgy. They are designed for better visibility, ensuring drivers behind you can see your vehicle clearly even in low light conditions. Grille. The new hexagonal grille gives the Lodgy a bolder presence on the road. Featuring a gloss black finish with chrome accents, it integrates seamlessly with the front fascia and allows for better airflow to the engine bay, enhancing cooling efficiency. Mirrors. The power-adjustable and heated side mirrors provide convenience and safety in various weather conditions. On higher trims, you also get auto-folding mirrors, adding a premium touch when parking in tight spaces. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Step inside, and you'll notice the redesigned seats, which now offer improved lumbar support and cushioning. The higher trims feature leatherette upholstery, while the base model gets durable fabric seats. With multiple adjustment options, including height and armrest adjustments, comfort is guaranteed on long journeys. Dashboard. The dashboard is designed for simplicity and practicality, featuring soft-touch materials and a clutter-free layout. A digital instrument cluster is available on premium variants, displaying speed, fuel efficiency, and navigation information in an easy-to-read format. Infotainment system. A 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and built-in navigation. The user-friendly interface ensures a seamless multimedia experience, while the 6-speaker audio system delivers crisp sound quality. Climate control. The Lodgy comes with automatic climate control, allowing you to set your preferred cabin temperature with ease. Rear passengers get dedicated air vents, ensuring even cooling throughout the cabin. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features controls for audio, cruise control, and hands-free calling. It is also tilt and telescopically adjustable, ensuring a comfortable driving position for all drivers. Powertrain components. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Lodgy is powered by a 1.3 liters turbocharged petrol engine, producing 140 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque. This engine balances efficiency and power, making it a great option for both city driving and long road trips. Transmission. You can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission for an engaging driving experience or a CVT automatic for smooth and effortless gear shifts. Hybrid option. For the first time, Dacia introduces a hybrid variant of the Lodgy, featuring a 1.6-liter petrol engine paired with an electric motor. This setup delivers improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions, making it a great choice for eco-conscious drivers. Exhaust system. The new exhaust system is designed to minimize noise while enhancing engine performance. The hybrid variant features a low-emission exhaust setup, contributing to a greener driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. Dacia has stepped up its safety game by including 6 airbags as standard, covering the driver, front passenger, and side impact protection for rear passengers. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Even though it's a Dacia, it now includes a Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite, offering pre-collision system aid detects vehicles and pedestrians, applying emergency braking if necessary. Lane Departure Alert A helps prevent unintended lane drifting. Adaptive Cruise Control A maintains a safe distance from the car ahead, reducing driver fatigue on long trips. Parking Assist. The rear parking camera and front, rear sensors help in tight parking spaces. Higher trims even get automated parking assist, taking the stress out of parallel parking. Blind spot monitoring. A must-have safety feature, blind spot monitoring warns you of vehicles in adjacent lanes, reducing the risk of side collisions. Electrical and lighting systems. Battery. The Lodgy's 12 volts battery is optimized for longer life, and the hybrid version comes with a self-charging lithium-ion battery that enhances fuel efficiency. Lighting. Apart from LED headlights and taillights, the interior is fitted with LED ambient lighting, adding a premium touch to nighttime drives. Charging. The hybrid variant supports regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery while driving, maximizing efficiency. Suspension and handling. Front suspension. The McPherson strut suspension ensures a smooth ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Rear suspension. A torsion beam setup provides a stable and comfortable ride, even when carrying a full load of passengers or cargo. Brakes. The ventilated front disc brakes and solid rear discs offer strong stopping power, while ABS and electronic brake force distribution, EBD, enhance safety. Wheels and tires. The Lodgy comes with 16-inch alloy wheels as standard, with 17-inch options on higher trims, wrapped in all-season tires for enhanced grip and stability. Cargo and utility. Trunk space. The Lodgy continues to offer best-in-class cargo space, with up to 827 liters of luggage capacity in standard configuration. Folding seats. For added flexibility, the rear seats fold in a 60-40 split, expanding cargo space to over 2,600 liters when fully folded. Roof rails. Need extra storage? Integrated roof rails allow you to attach roof racks for additional luggage, bicycles, or even a roof box for longer trips. Pricing. Base model. The entry-level Lodgy starts at a negation 18,500, making it one of the most affordable MPVs on the market. Hybrid variant. The hybrid version comes in at a negation 22,000, offering excellent fuel savings over time. Fully loaded trim. For those looking for the best features, the fully loaded model with all tech and safety options costs around a negation 24,500. Release date. The 2025 Dacia Lodgy is expected to hit dealerships across Europe in Q3 2025, with pre-orders opening earlier in the year.